is algorithmic. Corruption is the Philippines. Corruption is the one of the most serious problem in the Philippines. It affects the government, the economy, and the daily life of ordinary citizens when public funds are stolen or misused. Important services such as education, healthcare, and infrastructure suffer. As a result, the poor are the most affected in national development is self-help. Corruption must be stopped because it destroys people's trust in the government. When citizenship official involves in bribery and misuse of funds, this lose confidence in public in the this lack of trust weakens democracy and people from civic decisions of us something in communities environment. Corruption slows down economic process, money that should be used, boarding school, hospital runs, and housing is lost due to illegal activities. This leads to poor public service and corruption. The gap between the rich and the poor continues to grow, making life harder for many Filipinos. In conclusion, corruption is major obstacle to the country process is harms the economy weakens. Trust in the government and worsens poverty. The government and citizens must work together to fight corruption through honesty, transparency, and accountability to achieve a better future of the Philippines.